Hey, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. In this section, we're going to focus on basic setting adjustments for the MC521 Classic yellow label controller. Before any adjustments can be made, the keypad must be unlocked. To unlock the control, press and hold the Enter button and navigate to parameter 99. Release Enter, then press down one time so the display reads 00. This unlocks the keypad and allows programming changes. Once the keypad is unlocked, you can adjust settings such as open speed. Press and hold Enter, then navigate to parameter 00. Release Enter and the current open speed value will be displayed. Use the up or down buttons to increase or decrease the value until you reach your desired setting. After you stop pressing buttons, pause for a moment and the display will return to 00, confirming the value has been stored. At this point, activate the door and observe its operation to make sure it's opening at the speed you want. If you have additional parameters you'd like to adjust, you can pause here and make those changes now. Once all adjustments are complete, it's important to lock the keypad so your settings are retained. After all adjustments have been made, the keypad must be locked. This ensures your programming is saved and not lost during a power interruption. To lock the control, press and hold Enter and navigate back to parameter 99. Release Enter, then press up one time so the value changes to 01. The display should return to 00, indicating the keypad is locked and the door is ready for normal operation. Make sure the function switch is returned to the auto position. Activate the door and confirm that it opens and closes properly with the new settings applied. Locking the keypad is a critical step that is often overlooked. Skipping this step can result in lost settings and unexpected behavior after a power cycle. In addition to manual keypad adjustments, the MC521 Classic controller also allows basic settings to be adjusted using the Stanley Bluetooth programmer, which can speed up the process and make reviewing settings easier. To make adjustments using the Stanley Bluetooth programmer, start by selecting the MC521 controller in the Stanley app on your smartphone. Open the app and sync it with the Bluetooth programmer connected to the control. Once the main screen loads, it's recommended to tap More, then Summary. This brings up a complete profile of the controller and shows all current settings on a single screen. This is a great way to review how the door is configured before making any changes. After identifying the setting you want to adjust, return to the main screen and select Configure or Manual from the top left corner. This opens the adjustment menu. In the top right corner, tap the drop-down arrow to view the full list of adjustable parameters. Select the setting you want to change, such as open speed. Adjust the value using the on-screen slider or the plus and minus buttons to move one increment at a time. To test your changes, tap Operate Door in the lower right corner. A warning message will appear letting you know the door will move. Select Motor 1 to activate the door and observe its operation. Once you're satisfied with the adjustment, tap back to return to the main menu, then select Shutdown in the bottom left corner and close the app. That completes basic settings adjustments using both the keypad and Bluetooth programming for the MC521 Classic controller. This is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Thanks for watching.